Want to make money online but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money online with AI in 2023. It's time to take advantage of the growing AI industry and stop wasting time on tedious tasks. Learn how you can easily use AI tools to increase your income and gain financial freedom. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. AI is revolutionizing the way people make money online. It has opened up new and exciting passive income streams for people, allowing them to generate revenue without having to put in long hours or manual work. AI-based money-making solutions are becoming increasingly popular as they can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort. By leveraging the power of AI, it's possible to create passive income streams that can help you make money even while you're sleeping. Here are some ways you can use AI to make money. 1. Create faceless YouTube channels. AI is changing the way we create and produce content online. With the help of AI, you can now create faceless YouTube channels that are powered by AI to generate content with no need for being on camera. You can create videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. This allows you to save time, energy, and resources while producing creative content in an automated way. 2. Creating simple digital products like ebooks, workbooks, and audiobooks. Creating digital products with AI could be a great way to make money. With the help of AI-powered tools, you can create simple yet impactful digital products like ebooks, workbooks, and audiobooks in no time. Not only will this save you time and energy in the creative process, but it will also help you monetize your ideas quickly and easily. 3. Create online courses using AI. By using AI tools, you can make money by creating online courses that are engaging and tailored to the specific needs of your target audience. For example, try the AI-assisted course creation tool Teachable. This allows you to create interactive online courses on any subject and sell them through their subscription model. It also allows you to offer lifetime access for a one-time fee, where users only need to pay once for access and then they can access all of your courses as long as they use your link. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more insightful videos like this.